Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create this beautiful sleek ponytail from beginning to the end. It's easy and you can do it all by yourself at home. So let's dive into the main video.
First step is to comb your hair properly, then part and section the hair. Here you will decide on your preferred parts, middle, side, or no part at all, but I choose side parts. After which you use a comb to create clean precise parts. I don't know, I always love side parts right from time. I don't know why, but I love side parts. Now we're about to slick down the hair. So right now I'm applying my China jam. So in this place you can use your styling gel or any edge control. So I'm applying my China jam to my hair to slick it down. So you keep on applying the gel to your hair bit by bit, then I prefer to use my tail comb to comb my hair through before using. Hair lay flat. So I'm still applying my China jam to my hair right now. So right now I'm still applying my China jam to my hair. So now I'll use the brush. Yeah, so I'm using a brush now to brush all hair down. So this will also make it flat. So now you see I'm gathering all the hair at the desired position for the ponytail. So it's either you can either make yours to be low or high or at the middle. So this is the exact place I want my ponytail to be at. So dry, you can see the way I'm drying the hair. So this step is very important to make your hair last long. So after this, the next step I'll be using my butterfly shadow. I'm adding my extension for the ponytail to the hair. It's a clipping extension, so you clip, then you use this elastic to tie around, yeah, so that it will be fair. Voila, sorry, I had to go to the mirror to finish the styling of the ponytail, because all through this hair I have been using my instincts to make this hair. So at that point I needed to make use of the mirror to style the ponytail. So now styling the front part of my hair using straightener. For those asking me the name and the product of my straightener, it is called the Cloud9 straightener. It's very, very effective. So with this place, I'm spraying my butterfly shadow for extra wood, then blow dry as usual. Can you see the beauty? Oh gosh, this hair, you can rock it anywhere, 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 anywhere. It's so beautiful. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something from this tutorial. Please, my brother, my sister, kindly hit the subscribe button. Subscribe, like, comment, and also share. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you will be informed when next I post another hair tutorial. Thank you so much. I love and appreciate. God bless you.